Hey all, this is the last day of the week. I just thought I would throw one more thought out at you this week. I was having lunch the other day with an ancient friend of mine, and it was really kind of fun talking with her. We always talk. We try to do this uh, a little bit every so often, but we haven't done it a lot lately, and so we spent quite a time talking. And one of the things that she showed me she did, and I thought it was quite fascinating, was now this is my phone, but on the back of her phone, she had basically a copy of her business card designed out on here. So she had it out there. So it's always brand awareness. Everyone's out there and asking for it. But she doubled it up. Now I can't show it here, but she actually had it on the back of her computer and actually on the bottom of her computer. So each time she did this, she had it out there. And every time she's out there doing something, it's brand awareness. Everyone's out there always recognizing who she is, what she does, where she's at in her business. I thought this was a great, simple, low-tech way of helping with your brand and understanding, so people when they see you understand who you are, and it's always top of mind. And relaying stories back, she actually did tell that since that people said I could say for that, and they knew to ask for her because they remembered that because it was always just front of mind. So with that, I just wanted to leave that little thought. Just find low tech ways, low expensive ways to have that branding out there. I think it's a really good idea, especially if you really have a great logo and design that exists out there, can make life really quite simple for you. Have a good weekend.